Have you been involved in a car crash here in Florida where the damage to the car doesn't look like very much at all, but you're still injured? Then this video is for you. Many times I have people come into my office and the damage to the car looks very minimal. The client's still complaining about neck pain, back pain. They're injured. They're legitimately injured. Those cases, they can still be worth a lot of money based on what your injuries are. But I can tell you the insurance companies are going to be like a dog on a bone if the pictures of the car damage look minimal, because what we have to prove here in Florida is that you suffered a permanent injury as a result of the accident. And the insurance company is going to wave those pictures around at me and say, well, how can your client be permanently injured when you can barely see the damage to the car? Number one, there's nothing that says that if a picture of car damage doesn't look bad, then therefore you are not injured. You are the person inside a vehicle being hit by another vehicle that's 5,000 pounds. The energy that comes into the car that's pushing you and thrusting you back and forward, that has nothing to do with what the pictures of the car damage looks like. But the insurance company, their goal is to pay you as little as possible. And so if the damage to your car looks minimal, that's their best argument they're going to use. In situations like that, if we had to even take it to court in front of a jury, you bet your bottom dollar they're going to show the jury the picture of the car damage. And by the way, so would I as your lawyer, because there's no hiding it. It is what it is. Your credibility is going to be called into question by the insurance company. Your credibility, your doctor's credibility, and that's a fight that we have to have on your behalf. That's why in those cases, it is vital that you get a good lawyer who's going to advocate for you. A lawyer like me who's going to go battle to battle, toe to toe with these insurance companies and their big lawyers. We always want cases where the damage looks terrible and it's easier to prove. We also take those cases that are harder to prove because your injuries are just as valid as anybody else's because they're real and it happened to you and you cannot control what the damage to your car looks like. And if you're in that situation, give me a call. I can help you. We can discuss your case and we can move this case forward. Thank you.